on the center of the frame by the fork and the handlebar. Ooh, I could have avoided that twig. Sat down here and man, I don't know what insect came onto the camera. It kept circling around so fast. I'm using a DJI Mic 2. Hopefully it do pretty good for my needs. I'm not going 500 feet, 820 feet. It's going 4 feet, like so. Well, I can't see the screen. I'm not supposed to see the screen. It's just supposed to shoot. That's where the X2 was great. To have a big screen, maybe Insta could have shrunk it down. Only make it big when you see it after it starts up. Shrink it down. Nobody walks with the camera. That's called an Insta360 1X3. It takes 360-degree shots. So
what's around you?
Even though it's facing me, it's capturing you, the guy that's going by that way, everything in a sphere, a circle.
For safety. Is that the logic?
So off we go. We'll get down to the end. And we'll give it gas. I need to change out of the one I'm in and get into power assist. There we go. Make out turn. And we're forcing it up the hill.
How are we doing?
All right, and you? All right, I'd safely go by. I have pedal assist, and I am shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4. And the DJI Mic 2 is on the Insta360 1X3. A little bumpy, and yeah, the mic didn't transfer over. That's a good thing. So let's get on out of here. Pedal on. Image stabilization at its best.
do you call it? The floor? You record the floor?
Yeah. It's a 360. I'm recording.
Oh yeah, that's 360. I want to get that one better than the, what you call it?
Insta 360.
No, that's the 360.
Yeah.
My friend told me to buy that one instead of the little one that everybody got.
The action camera.
Yeah, the one, the Apple one. Is
Oh,
yeah, that one.
the Osmo Action 4.
This
It's not a GoPro.
GoPro, right?
It's not a GoPro, but it's competition to GoPro.
Oh, okay. Action
And
4?
it's just as good DJI.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's $299 versus
I like that one. That one looked nice.
$400. $350 at Costco.
Yeah, I want it for the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're both waterproof.
Oh, they are. I didn't know that.
Yeah, they're both waterproof if you put the door on.
Okay.
Up to about 30 feet. And this is easier. You just shoot.
Which one you like better, that one or this one?
I just got that one. I got that today. But I had the older version, and I like this better because it's easier to use. And
So my boy showed me that. He went on my cousin's boat and put it on the thing. That shit was dope.
he was sold.
Sold. I said, yo, I want it. I got it on my list on Amazon.
You gotta have the computer that can handle it.
Oh yeah.
Scoot on down like this so you can see everything around me. Woohoo!